Hey there, folks!
Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the best products on the market.
Today, we've got something special in store for you. The Yogi Tea Green Tea Super Antioxidant.
If you're a fan of green tea and all its amazing health benefits, you're in for a treat. This Yogi Tea blend is not your ordinary green tea. It's a super antioxidant powerhouse designed to support your overall health. But before we dive into all the details, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest product reviews. So, what makes Yogi Tea's Green Tea Super Antioxidant stand out from the rest? Well, let's start with the basics. This product comes in a convenient pack of 96 tea bags, so you'll have plenty to enjoy. But it's not just about quantity, it's about quality too. This tea is USDA organic, meaning you're getting a pure and natural product that's free from synthetic chemicals or pesticides. Now, let me tell you why this is the best antioxidant green tea on the market. Yogi Tea combines a selection of premium ingredients to create a tea that not only tastes great but also provides fantastic health benefits.
Here are some of the key ingredients. Now, let's talk flavor.
Yogi Green Tea Super Antioxidant has a delightful citrusy flavor thanks to the lemongrass, and the jasmine green tea adds a touch of sweetness and floral notes.
It's a refreshing and rejuvenating experience with every sip. But here's the exciting part. This tea is more than just a delicious beverage.
Yogi Tea believes in the synergistic benefits of herbs, which means they carefully select and blend ingredients to enhance their wellness-supporting potential. So, every cup of Yogi Green Tea Super Antioxidant is packed with goodness.
But wait, there's more.
Yogi Tea has a rich history that dates back over 30 years, inspired by the ancient holistic philosophy of Ayurveda. They've been creating delicious and functional teas ever since, and this Green Tea Super Antioxidant is no exception.
When it comes to quality, Yogi Tea takes things seriously. They source the finest spices and botanicals, prioritize sustainability, and maintain rigorous quality testing standards. Plus, they're committed to social responsibility on a global level. Now, let's talk about the benefits. Yogi Green Tea Super Antioxidant is designed to supply antioxidants that support overall health.
It's like a daily dose of wellness in a cup.
So, whether you're starting your day with a warm cup of this green tea or sipping it throughout the day,
you're not just enjoying a delicious beverage, you're taking care of your body.
And what do the customers have to say?
Well, it's got a fantastic rating of 4.7 stars out of 5 on Amazon, with customers raving about the refreshing taste, the energizing feeling, and the mood-boosting antioxidants.
So there you have it, folks.
Yogi Tea Green Tea Super Antioxidant, the best antioxidant green tea on the market. If you want to give your health a boost while enjoying a delicious cup of tea, this is the way to go.
Thanks for joining us on Product Critique.
Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and leave us a comment if you've tried Yogi Tea before. Until next time, stay healthy and stay tuned for more fantastic product reviews.